Whether you are creating a small keychain, a wall hanging, a plant, pot holder, or a full size storage basket, or a recycle a bottle, the magic of jute is in your imagination. You don't need expensive tools, you don't need years of training, you just need a vision and the courage to start. And here's the truth, your first piece might not be perfect, and that's okay because perfection is overrated. The beauty of handmade art is in the imperfections, the tiny signs that a human, not a machine, make it, brought it to life. So let your creativity flow. Experiments, mix jute with wood, beads, shells, flowers with bottles, or even recycled fabric. Turn your home into a gallery of eco friendly beauty. Remember, every craft you make is more than just an object, it's a memory, a story, a piece of nature captured by your hands. And when someone asks you where you bought it, you will have the joy of saying, I made it. So, what are you waiting for? Pick up that roll of jute, breathe in the inspiration, and create something today. Recycle your bottle, recycle your boxes, and brought it to life. It's about leaving your mark on the world, one strand on a time. Of it, if this inspired you, your own jute craft journey, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a fellow creative soul, and subscribe for more ideas and inspiration. Your hands have the power to create now. Let them speak. Whether you are creating a small keychain, make your own design, recycle your home things, old things, and here's the best part. Jute craft is not only beautiful, it's kind to the environment because it's biodegradable, kind to the artisans because it creates jobs in rural areas, and kind to your own heart because it teaches you patience, mindfulness, and pride in creation. When you choose to create the jute, you are making a silent but powerful statement. I care for the earth, I care for the art, and I care for the story behind what I own. So the next time you see a roll of jute rope